Gusto mo ng bahay sa Cavite na walang bidding at may discount pa? Yes, tama ang narinig mo. Bank foreclose ito, no bidding basta walang kasabay. Row house, inner lot, Barangay Alapan 2A, Imus, Cavite. As is where is, 40 to 50% below market value. Lot area 43 square meter. Floor area 28 square meter. 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Selling price, 1,179,900 lang. Grabe, bihira na to sa Imus ngayon. Payment terms, 10% down payment equals 117,990. Reservation fee, 50,000. 90% bank home loan. Sample computation for 20 years bank loan. Loanable amount, 1,061,910. Estimated monthly amortization around 8,500 to 9,000 per month. Estimated required monthly income 25,000 to 30,000 household income. Important reminder, bank fees at transfer of title not yet included. Mode of payment, PDC, manager's check, cash, bank loan. Bakit dapat umalis ka na sa scrolling? No bidding, unahan lang. Bank foreclose equals legit and safe. Free house tour assistance. Assist din namin kayo step by step hanggang approval. Message us now. Paunahan to. Once may kasabay, mawawala ang discount. PM na bago maunahan ng iba.